Hey there, you guys. So in this video, I do have another new vacuum cleaner that I will show you. This time it's a Hoover air steerable bagless upright. So this is another type of bagless vacuum that I just bought today. That I just got in the mail. So there's nothing much about this other than the only tool that it came with was this crevice tool and a dusting brush combo, and that's it. So I wouldn't recommend this as a main vacuum because there's nothing much about it, and plus it doesn't have good agitation for especially for thicker carpeting. So this I would probably recommend this as like your secondary vacuum, like for upstairs or something like that. But it is considered lightweight. I mean, it's not a super lightweight like some vacuums are, but it is not too heavy to carry up and down the stairs. So yeah, this bagless canister comes out with this button right here, and then to access the filters, you twist and turn to the unlock position, and then the filters right here, and it says remove and check underside. So yeah, nice clean filter. It's got all the cyclone hole tubes looking thing. So but yeah, I guess I'll go ahead and put this on a tripod and give you guys a little demonstration. So yeah, so to empty the bin, it's really easy. Just take this off and then push this button, and then all that debris falls out. So yeah, let me move the tripod a bit just to sort of adjust it, and then I'll spread this out, I guess. I also have some paper that I will shred and stuff on the ground. But yeah, so I'll go ahead and give you a little demonstration. Not that loud, so it's pretty quiet. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. It's not too noisy. I mean, I wouldn't consider it the quietest, but it's not too noisy. So yeah, it does have rubberized wheels and a switch if you want to turn off the brush bar to vacuum hardwood floors. So to turn it to a hose mode, it's more difficult. So you have to remove this, and then remove this hose connector case, and then just put it on like that. Yeah, now it's in hose mode, so it's not like where you just pull the handle off and it automatically switches to hose mode. So, but yeah. But other than that, it's still a pretty good vacuum. So I would recommend for someone who needs a fairly lightweight vacuum that's good for thinner carpeting. But yeah. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit a like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming up soon.